Welcome guys. If this is your first time to my channel, I am Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. Today I'll be showing you 3 different ways to use this paper piercing technique. So let's get started. The first technique, I'll be using the stamp set delivering chair. And what we're going to do is take a piece of cardstock. I'm going to take some black magenta ink and I'm going to go ahead and stamp this dress out on the pale papaya cardstock. To the tag on the right, I colored that in with the pale papaya alcohol markers. So if you don't have a particular color marker or you don't like to color, this technique is perfect for you. So once you have your image stamped, just go ahead, take your shears and cut that out. Then you're going to take that image and you're going to glue it on top of your original stamped image. You could use this technique with any of your image stamp sets you have in your supplies. If you're interested in any of the supplies I use here today, as always, that will be listed in the description box down below. So with technique number 2, instead of stamping on cardstock, you're going to stamp on designer series paper, so you're going to give it a different flair. This reminds me of paper dolls back in the days. If you guys are getting any creative value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below so my videos could get seen by other viewers like yourself. So on this particular one, you could also go as detailed as stamping out the gift packages. Now with technique number 3, so I'll be using the Count on Me stamp set, and I'll be stamping on designer series paper again, but this time we'll be doing some drawing. I saw this particular technique by Creative Paper. So we're going to go ahead and stamp on the designer series paper the bear, and then we're going to go ahead and draw a jumper on the bear. I'm going to use my pencil and draw that in. So if you like what you see here today and you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. You could also use a marker, a permanent marker, to draw your bear in as well. After you trace with your pencil, then you could trace over that with your marker. So we're going to go ahead and cut the jumper out. This is so creative. I mean, she came up, this is just a creative idea. I just love it. Then after you cut your jumper out, we're going to go ahead and glue that designer series paper on top of your original image. You could also create a template on white cardstock like I did here. So instead of recreating the jumper, you could just easily trace it out on top of the bear for the next time. If you guys got creative value from today's video, I invite you to check out these videos.